This is a video of our Paragon stair installation installed. The look here is, I think I called it powder coated black. It's got a little texture on it, and I do have to say installation was very straightforward. Getting this main piece up, we could do it with a couple people. Getting that platform on took an extra person, but it actually went pretty smooth. I'll go ahead and go up the stairs. And one thing I do have to say, these balusters are extremely thick aluminum. That really surprised me. So even the railing itself was as well. Every piece that came with this was very sturdily built. And here you can see, this is, I guess they refer to it as the platform, but as you can see, it's basically your first step down, so that, you know, I guess you need one less stair if you're using your platform as a step. And we used to just have a railing that went all the way across here, and I basically replaced that little section with two new smaller sections. And then we have the opening here. It basically goes flush against your deck. Same thing on the other side. But yeah, we're very thrilled with this. Have had a lot of compliments on it. Here's the view from up here. And if you look way down on our deck, you used to have to go, to get around, you would either have to go way down here, and then there's a path down across the grass that would then take you back to the pool area. So this is, our pool's used almost daily, and I can tell you that the stairs are definitely used daily. So thanks, Paragon. Very quality product you have here. No regrets.